trip. I just wanted to talk to you about maintenance and keeping your dryer safe from fire. So, this is one load. Check this out. Look at that. That is one load. I take my little dryer sheet and get all that off there. I think the reason it's so much every time is because it's such a small dryer. That's the only thing I can figure. So clean it up real good. Whoops, I got it dropping off. Now, let's see if we can see down in here. Whoa. Down in there, a lot of times it's really bad right in here. Yep, there it is. So let me show you what I do. Take a time out. Okay. Hey, it's me again. Okay, so what I wanted to show you was, and I hope that you're going to be able to see this. Let me take this. It's kind of hard to work inside of a dryer, you know? All right, so right in here, you see all that? All of that needs to be cleaned out so your dryer is drying proficiently. Ooh, that light is bright. Okay, so now I'm going to stand you back up. Oh, I think I'm going to let Tommy do this video. Okay, so I take this brush and I sweep along the bottom and I get a lot of these holes get stopped up, and I mean, I clean this all the time. Now, this was just cleaned the last load. Look at that. Can you see that? I'm getting a handful. After you do this, you need to go back. You need to go back in and you need to wipe your dryer out before you put more clothes in, because all this stuff gets caught up in there. And if you've got a vacuum cleaner that you can get down in there, that'll make it better too. My vacuum cleaner doesn't fit all the way down in there. So as you can tell, it takes a little bit. Now, I don't clean it like this every single time, but I'm doing it this time. I think it's been probably about 3 dryer loads since I did that. Oh, look at that. Kind of bad, huh? Anyway, so the reason I'm telling y'all about this is because we had some neighbors when I was a kid, and I don't know if nobody ever told the lady about cleaning the dryer vent, but they had a house fire and one of the children died. So this has been one of those things that I really pay attention to, and especially living in an RV. I don't know about y'all. See that? I do not want to burn up in one of these things. It goes pretty fast from what I understand. And it's hard to get in here. Anyway, you get the gist of what I'm doing. So, it's cleaned up as much as I can clean it right now. So let's do one more time down and around. Oh, there went a penny. So, I asked the guy that works on our RV, Chuck's RV, and he said, he checked my outside and he said it looked great. He said that I was doing a good job. So now let me get a rag real quick. Oops. Let's wipe this dust up. Turn you back around. Let's wipe this dust up. More. All right. Let's throw in another dryer sheet, and guess what? it's time for some more clothes. So, I hope you learned something. Maybe it was helpful. Maybe you already knew it. This is just a reminder that you do need to check it every time. But anyway, I hope this was a learning process and not boring you. Y'all have a good day.